Hey guys, this video will show you how to use a website called Screencapturing, which is free, or use the free version anyway. I think there is a paid version. But you can use screencapturing.com to record any type of video off of your computer that you would like. The way I intend this to be used would be when you have a classroom presentation. Perhaps you're presenting your Minecraft, Revolutionary War, or mission project, or anything else that you're trying to create a video from your computer using. So once you're at screencapturing.com, you will go to the web page of your choosing, be this Minecraft, or in this case, I'm going to actually use my teacher website page. And at this point, it's already recording, so you would literally just speak, scroll, move the cursor, or direct the audience wherever the action is or whatever the resource is that you're trying to demonstrate in video form. Once you're finished, the bottom left-hand side of the screen has the pause or stop button, and you would also start the video the same way. There's a little red record button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. When you're ready, you'd start, it'll do a countdown, 3, 2, 1, record. And then, of course, when you're finished, you would click that as well, and it'll pause or stop the video. Once you've done that, it'll ask you to save the video, name the video, and then that video can then be attached as a file, either on Edmodo, or it may even, with parent permission, be a better idea and an easier way to move the video around, to upload it to a video converter tool like YouTube, for example. But I say again, that would be only something that you should do with parent permission and assistance. If you did use YouTube with parent permission, then you can then upload the video, grab a link, and then just paste that link to Edmodo, for example, or it could be attached to an email and sent out that way. Whoever receives the link then can watch your video.